Understanding Full Self-Driving, FSD. What is FSD? Full Self-Driving, FSD, available as an option on all Tesla vehicle, is a highly advanced personal AI chauffeur designed to handle all your daily driving. The current version, version 14, consistently performs better and safer than average human driver. Beyond basic driver assistance, FSD operates like a dedicated, superhuman chauffeur, capable of navigating virtually any road or condition. This includes unpaved paths, unmarked roads, poor lighting, severe weather, snow, heavy rain, fog, sun glare, long journeys, and difficult terrain, such as slick surfaces and narrow, winding mountain passes, while expertly managing unpredictable traffic. While every Tesla includes standard autopilot with basic accident avoidance features, like fast-acting emergency steering and braking, the optional FSD package offers a significantly greater level of capability. Equipped with a minimum of 7 cameras and an advanced onboard computer running AI trained on billions of miles of real-world driving data, FSD's true excellence lies in its well-documented ability to prevent or significantly reduce the severity of accidents, a feature I experienced firsthand. Currently utilized by over 1.8 million paying customers, and with over 66 billion miles logged, FSD stands alone as the only self-driving system today that 1. Drives anywhere and handles all road conditions. FSD truly drives anywhere and handles all road conditions. It operates without the need for pre-mapping or geofencing, and it's free from the typical operational limitations that you'd find in driver assistant programs from other automakers. This means you can drive virtually anywhere a person can drive. That includes busy city streets, freeways, new or unmapped roads, small private roads, unpaved paths on beaches, and even in national parks, forests, or the mountains. The car maintains normal speeds and handles all weather conditions with ease. 2. Complete personal driver, not just an assistant. FSD is engineered as a complete personal driver, not just an assistant. It's designed to fully take over your daily driving tasks, completely freeing up your attention. FSD transforms the driving experience, turning every trip into a journey where the driver is now a passenger in a privately chartered vehicle. This advanced system confidently and competently manages both the driving and the navigation, making it attention-free as well as hands-free. With full self-driving engaged, your time in the car is completely transformed. You are free to engage in numerous activities, such as making phone calls, texting, reading, watching TV, playing games, resting, deep thinking, studying, working, or simply enjoying the company of your fellow passengers. During road trips, the experience is akin to being on a tour bus, allowing you to take pictures or videos of the scenery. FSD has emerged as a complete and highly usable private driving AI, set to fundamentally transform driving by eliminating the restrictive limitations imposed by other OEMs, such as the requirement for pre-mapped geofences, constraints based on road or weather conditions, or being restricted only to freeway operation. Despite the current legal requirement for human supervision due to FSD's legal status and the lack of regulatory approval standards, the system's advanced capability is clear. Recent robotaxi demonstrations, alongside the experiences of many users with the latest FSD 14.2 software, prove this. The current version is capable of competently managing the majority of driving tasks from start to finish, parking lot to parking lot, without needing any human intervention. While minor refinements and final verification are ongoing, the current version navigates most situations seamlessly. Designed to completely assume the burden of driving, FSD liberates the driver from the daily chore. This new capability is about to totally transform how people interact with and perceive their vehicles and the act of driving itself. Let's see how this can benefit you next.